Welcome to our channel Gita for All through Beauty of Jnaneshwari Similes. Today's simile is the tortoise. First, we'll see Gita Adhyay 2, Shloka number 58. Yada sanharate chayam kurmun ganiv sarvashah indriyanin indriyarthebhyas tasya prajna pratisthita. Meaning of this shloka is a tortoise withdraws its extremities and head inside the shell. Similarly, the one who can keep sense organs away from the subjects should be considered as having a stable intellect. Same simile has been used by Santa Jnaneshwar in stanza number 301, where he says, का कुर्म जिया परी उवाईला अवेव पसरी ना इच्छावशे आवरी आपुले आपण, which means a tortoise spreads out its extremities and head when in a relaxed mood, but withdraws them as per his wish. Sant Jnaneshwar says in the next stanza, तैसी इंद्रिये आपैती होती जयाचे म्हणितले करीती तयाची प्रज्ञा जाण स्थिती पातली असे. In the same way, the one whose sense organs listen to him or her is considered as having a stable intellect. As we all know, we have these 5 sense organs with their subjects, and these sense organs are called as Jnanendriye in our spiritual text, because we get to know about the world. We get Gyan through these 5 sense organs. Because of the eyes, we can see an object. With the nose, we can smell. The subject of the ear is sound. Subject of the tongue is taste, whereas subject of the skin is touch. Now, why we need to control these sense organs? Why so much of emphasis has been given in Bhagavad Gita as well as Jnaneshwari that we need to control these sense organs? We will see by using some of the common examples. A diabetic person knows that eating sugar is bad for him or her, but if he or she is not able to control the tongue, it will lead to uncontrolled diabetes with an unhealthy body. On the other hand, if there is control, he or she will have a healthy body. Another example is related to the current scenario where mobile phones and social media is a great technology which keeps us connected and updated. But addiction to it hampers the personal growth of a person. The one who is not a slave but is a master of his sense organs can gain from such technological advances. Why simile of tortoise to a stable person? A tortoise relaxes its body and walks, sees, and eats with the help of its legs and head protruded out of the shell. But whenever he feels there is some danger, he withdraws the legs and head inside the protective shell. Same way, a stable person functions in the world with the help of sense organs, but he or she can control them to avoid any form of addiction. For a stable person, in Bhagavad Gita as well as in Jnaneshwari, perfect simile of the tortoise has been used. We plan to understand the principles of Gita with the help of such beautiful similes and metaphors, which are also used in Jnaneshwari, as well as some of the similes are used in Gita. Same similes are used in Jnaneshwari as well as Gita. Thank you so much. मराठी व्हिडिओ पण उपलब्ध आहे.